Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Earth, Moon, Sun Systems in Space post-test. Today, you need to start by typing in your email address, which is, remember, your email address, your username, all lowercase, and then the @ symbol, followed by s.rs-wolves.com. And you can copy this @ all the way to the M, copy everything in between, and just paste that right behind your username, and that's your email address. Don't forget then the next item, you need to type your first and your last name. And then finally, you also need to tell me what hour you have science. 2nd hour, 4th hour, 5th hour, 6th hour, or 7th hour.